This is a tutorial video on how to make a live location recording. This is relevant to your sound engineering module. We are going to be recording, if you do a quick scan of the room, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 musicians. Normally we'd have 7. We would have a keyboard player, but the keyboard player is holding the microphone or holding the camera. We have different microphones. For example, the vocal microphone. We have a microphone down here on electric guitar number 2. We have an electric guitar microphone here. We have a microphone in front of the bass guitar combo. We have a microphone beside keyboard 1. And we have a microphone beside keyboard 2, if you can, thank you. We have a microphone beside the kick drum. And we have a microphone as an overhead on the drums. All of those microphones, you see those blue cables, are routed to this powered mixer over here. All of those cables are numbered, each end, so they can be identified. Each one of those microphones is routed to a particular channel, which is identified by a masking tape strip here. The description of each sound source is written underneath each channel. For example, Voxes, vocals, electric guitar 2, electric guitar 1, kick drum, bass, keyboard 1, keyboard 2, OH for overhead. I will switch on the powered mixer now. I will put all the faders down to 0 before I switch on the powered mixer. We have a red cable here coming out of the powered mixer being routed to this wedge fold-back monitor. That wedged, it's called a wedge because it's shaped like a wedge. That fold-back monitor is so the vocalist can hear herself and so for her to be able to pitch herself accurately. I have previously done a headphone mix here. These are the headphones connected to the socket where it says phones. There is a phones volume knob here. I have set that previously. You see all of these red rotary knobs. These are all set according to the mix that I like. I've set a mix here that I am going to be outputting through these 2 cables to, you see that 2-channel audio interface, if you can go over there please and have a look at that. The 2-channel audio interface preamps, these 2 rotary knobs here, have to be set at exactly the same levels because this is a 2-channel stereo recording. In other words, the 2 sound sources are going to end up in the one file. You'll see an audio clip appear eventually in your DAW, your multi-track recording and editing software, which will be one audio clip but containing 2 waveforms. That's a stereo recording. The output of the 2-channel audio interface sends its signal via a USB cable which is attached here, and the audio that's coming out of the hardware mixer gets recorded on the hard drive and you're going to record it into your software. Going back to the mixer, I have also equalized certain channels. For example, I will put all of these, by the way, at unity gain. Unity gain is all the channels set at 0. You might say to yourself, well, if they're all set at 0, how come the volumes will be different? How come the mix will be different? Well, the mix is done with these rotary gain knobs. Now, I have equalized the overall master volume coming out of the channels with this graphic equalizer. I have taken out a lot of the high frequencies because I want to stop the feedback. I've also given this particular channel, this is the Vox channel, a little bit of air to get a bit of clarity. The overheads, I've taken out some of the high frequencies to stop feedback. There's also a kick drum. I don't need the high frequencies on the kick drum, so I've taken those out because the kick drum has all got low frequencies. I've got an electric guitar here, electric guitar 1, and I can take out a little bit of the frequencies there. So I have mixed everything here. I am listening in the headphones. This is the headphone mix. This is the mixer. It's a 2-channel live location recording, and that's how you do it. For example, will everybody play together? Start again, please. Go again. Thank you. And that's how you make a live location recording. Thank you, folks.